Hey guys, good morning. Hope you are doing great. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a UI action that can copy not only the record producer, but also the question variables, the UI policy, client script, and also the assigned topic here. So the assigned topic, if you don't know, is used to show where you want to display this kind of record producer. So where on the portal do you want to display that? So the problem with this out-of-the-box copy UI action is that it copies the record producer successfully, but it doesn't copy the question variables and all of these related list records. And that is because this record producer is in a specific table, which is this table right here. The question variables right here is not connected, or they are not part of this record producer record. So if I right click here, I can open this in a new window. And that is going to show me where these question variables is stored. And that is actually in this table, item option new. And you can see the different question variables. And here you can see in this catalog item field, cat item, where these question variables are connected. So they are connected to this the record producer that we are looking at, which is the onboarding record producer right here. So what I've done is I've created this copy with Q button, a UI action right here, which is gonna do pretty much the same as copy, but it's also going to run through all of the different queries to get all of the question variables and whatnot, and also copy them. So let's see how that looks like in action. So you can see this is the onboarding record producer and the question variables. This is a query for catalog item is onboarding. So let's run the copy with Q. So now it's going to copy the record producer and the question variables and whatnot. And now we're going to cut a little bit of an error here, saying that blah, blah, blah has one other question variables with the same name associated with it. And that is because we have not copied the question variables, and the question variables have the same name. But that is fine because they are going to reference different record producers. So we can see now we have the copy of the onboarding record producer. We also have the copy of the short description, and the script has also successfully been copied over. And also we can see here in the question variables, we also have the question variables that have been copied. And right here you can see these are now referencing this new copy of onboarding. So that is perfect. So just to show you guys, we can again right click here, open in a new window. And now we can query these two different stuff to see what's, just to show you guys. So catalog item contains onboarding. Let's try that. And now we're also gonna get another one. So let's just filter out this one. And now we can see we have the question variables for the original catalog item, and we also have for the new copy with onboarding. So that is perfect. And we also can see we have the catalog UI policy that has been transferred over or copied over. The same for client script and the same for assigned topics. Perfect, so that worked. So we can take a look at this UI action. So we can open with as Newtons, we can do technical names. I've done Alt Q for that shortcut, which is really nice. And now we can click on this question mark, which is very nice. And then we go directly into the UI action. So what I did with the original one, I just made the name copy with Q, and I did insert and stay. And I've left the condition as it was, and I just changed some of the script. So to find the script, you could go into my site, which is ServiceNow. Code snip now. So this is the URL. So this is my site where a lot of different scripts. So we can search for copy with Q. There it is. So we can see the script right here, and then the condition and the table that we are running on. So you can simply click on copy code, and now the code is copied to your clipboard. Nice. So I hope you enjoyed that video. So just to show you guys or explain a little bit. So right now we are just gonna copy the variables, the policies, the client scripts, and the assigned topics. If you also want to copy all of the other stuff, you need to modify the code a little bit to make that work as well. Or you can simply do what I've done now, and then you can manually drag in like what it's available for or whatnot. So that doesn't usually take too much time. Hope you liked that video, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay,